This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gloria Waters. Beautiful Bougainvillea Place. Your gateway to luxury living in a serene, gated, maintenance-free community with approximately 119 meticulously designed homes. Immerse yourself in the amenities, clubhouse, featuring a fitness center and a heated pool that beckons relaxation. For your furry friends, the paw park is the perfect place to play and socialize. Say goodbye to tedious yard work, as lawn and shrub maintenance are included, allowing you more time to savor the things you love. Transform these 3 bedrooms, plus den/study, 2-bathroom home into a showstopper with new paint and flooring. Marvel at custom features like the barrel tile roof, a brick paver driveway, entry, and lanai. Clerestory windows infuse the interior with natural light, creating a harmonious connection with nature. The elegance of tray ceiling lighting in the great room, dining room, and owner's suite, enhancing the architectural design. The kitchen island, breakfast bar, granite countertops and a walk-in pantry measuring 05 by 06, cater to the chef in you. Entertain or unwind on the large, screened lanai 24 by 12, complete with 2 disappearing glass sliding doors for a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. A view of the lake from your private patio, measuring an impressive 23 by 14, includes a pergola offering shade and fenced for your peace of mind. Garage sliding screen panels allow air circulation while maintaining security. Another benefit is the convenience of the location, just half a mile east of I-75, past the Prime Outlet Mall. Enjoy easy access to Lakewood Ranch, Bradenton, Sarasota, St. Petersburg, and Tampa. Welcome home to a life of luxury, convenience, and tranquility. For more information, review the details below or contact Gloria Waters at 941-356-9386.